UMLA ka Shillong South uba Sanbor Chulai ka sing sajany ulabu ikimono rim nakabata mante hadu ispotoli ki Surok kibante ka jinglut ka bakot siya kakatsan poin arpui Klur tingka hakaleng kibanta jung ka konstituensi yakini kimono rim uba Sanbor ula pelipaj ba ka jingalang kabalalong asam klub haringkat ka jingdan lang kinoyalam shnong ki trajaka barki officer ka tanat PWD
Sanganthai Mahila Committee, Church Committee, Puja Committee, Ashram Monastery Committee, and members of all NGOs who have spared available time to come and witness this small function for inauguration of 10 numbers of roads recommended by me with the support of the landowners, the Dorbar Shnong, and very, very, very thankful to the ground force of the Public Works Department, the PWD, who are the backbones to go to the site in collaboration with the Dorbar Shnong, Sanganthai, Sangsamwa, to prepare the DPR, Details Product Report, Plan Estimate, and after that, they forwarded to the government. Once it reached the table of the government, it's my duty now to take up these issues to get them sanctioned, right from the planning department, the finance department, up to the table of the minister of beauty, and even to the chief minister. Writing to me is very easy for each and every one of you. Just 5 minutes or by telephone. Sanbor, I need this road, I need this train. We need this, that. But it is not easy. It has to go, it has to be prepared. PWD department, the site engineers, the SDO, they have to prepare the plan and estimate, send it to government, planning department, finance department. And sometimes, due to paucity of fund, most of the scheme has to be rejected, has to be reverted back to the concerned department due to paucity of fund. But it is a blessing of God. It's a blessing of each and every one of you that besides those schemes which are implemented, ongoing schemes are plenty all over my constituency, and with the blessing of God, we have now the newly sanctioned scheme of 10 numbers with a total amount of 15 crore 25 lakh 72,500. 10 numbers. We have also the ongoing scheme of additional water supply scheme, which we have got the sanction from the Amrut scheme, Atal Bihari Bajpai mission scheme. It is going on, which will pave way to the PHE and the municipal to commission the additional supply of water all over the greater Laban area. Lumbaring, Manlaban, Lumzopor, Lumdarbar, Kijatpuan, Laban, Jumarlin, Lower Laban, Red Cross. It is within 1 month, I think, this scheme will be fully completed and additional water supply will be given to each and every locality within Greater Laban area, except cantonment area, we are having sufficient water supply. 8-9 years ago, there was a shortage of supply of water in the cantonment area. After winning the election 2013, I have taken up with the state government with permission and NOC from the PHE department, where we have given an independent line only for cantonment area. And now cantonment area people, they don't need to wake up 3 a.m. in the midnight and fetch the water. The water is sufficient in government area as well as within Greater Laban area. There are also many schemes like children's park we have done, playground in Dobitala, Jalupara, we have football field, we have volleyball field, badminton field, we have children's park. Before, it was a dance of anti-social elements. It's like a slum, a dumping ground. We have converted it to the play field where 24 hours boys and girls are playing. And Polton Bazaar, there was also a dumping ground. All people from Bara Bazaar and adjoining areas, they come and dump their garbages there. There also we have a scheme with a Nag temple. We have constructed a Nag temple newly. And we have converted that field into a playing field where there are gates from the front and from the back where the society of the Paltan Bazaar they are taking care of. And it has become a multi-purpose ground for all the residents of Paltan Bazaar and Lower Paltan Bazaar. And with the blessing, with the support of each and every one of you, we are also having lots of plan, requirement in terms of development, bids, roads, electricity. We have given you maximum from the smart city, street lights. We have given you each and every locality. We have given you the aqueduct and drainage system from the smart city scheme, where you have seen works are completed and works are going on in each and every locality within my constituency. We are having the play field in my Laban, which will be handed over to the Paralaban Sports Club of the Robert Song within a month or two. Due to natural calamities, 3 times the muds and the earth from the hill of the road going to Lumparing collapsed 3 times. But with the blessing of God, somehow I managed to get the sanction since 2021-22 for an amount of rupees 1 crore 55 lakh. And the work is going on. With a 1 or 2, children can start playing football, playing cricket, and this will be the only standard ground within my constituency. Thankful to the Darbarshino and the sports club have given the land free of cost, and within a 1 or 2, we are going to again re-inaugurated the ground, football ground. And we are also to organize the MLA Cup 2024 within this year. Thankful to the Central Minister, the Minister of Northeastern Region, the donor development of Northeastern Region, who have given us 12.5 crore for construction of municipal market. The work has been started already, and not less than 200 unemployed youths, both boys and girls, male and female, will be given in collaboration with the Dorbar's, where they can start their business establishment there. A few years ago, we have inaugurated the then Bishnupur, Kansas Municipal Market Community Hall. Now we have changed it to the Dorbarsong Lumshasi, Kansas, where 40 to 50 unemployed youths were given the stalls to run their shop and establishment. And we don't have the Warshno Community Hall. And on the top of the shop, we are having our own community hall, Dorbarshong Hall. This is the long, long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban area. And the standard ground will be coming up very soon in Kenjatpur, the last locality of this long city, behind the community hall. And we are also moving on to get the cultural hall, auditorium at Kenjatpur, Laban Sports Club, and Dorbarshong Marlaban Real Laban. We have also going to inaugurate the seminar hall, community hall, and a Bible class hall at Relabong, adjacent to Relabong Police Station. Next month we are going to inaugurate to function, and it will be helpful to all the residents of Kenchestes, Oxford, Relabong. They don't need to hire Ususosam Hall or Station Library or the State Convention. All NGOs, people of Greater Laban area, they can organize the programs there at the seminar at Relabong Seminar Hall, which I have managed to get the sanction from the Social Welfare Department for an amount of rupees 4 crore 50 lakhs.